What's up, guys? It's Greta and I am back, and I have a great style tutorial for you today. I just finished watching the Hawkeye series on Disney Plus, and if you haven't seen it, this video is a spoiler, but you probably already know what you're gonna watch based off the title of this video. So I am doing the hairstyle that Yelena wears in the last episode of this series. She wears a super cool braid style that I am going to show you how to do. So I have two videos similar to this one already. If you're interested in watching them, I will link them down below. The first one is the hairstyles of the Black Widow and Yelena from Black Widow, the movie that came out more recently. And then the other video was like all the other hairstyles that the other widows in that same movie wore. So those are really cool hairstyles. You should definitely check those out. And let's jump right into this hairstyle. So this is the picture of the style that we're going to do. I actually went ahead and fishtailed this extension piece so that that is ready to just put right into my hair, because that's easier than doing it with my own hair for this particular style. All right, guys, for this style, these are the sections that we're going to have. You can see I've left some pieces on the side out. I have a rounded section here, and this goes back straight down the center of my head. And these two sections are gonna be braids. This is going to be the poof that she wears in the front, also going into the braids. So we're going to start out with this, and we're going to tease it. I did prep my hair with the dry shampoo, so it's a little bit easier to hold the teasing in place. So go ahead and do that, and then we'll move on to the next portion of the style. Once you have the teasing set, you're going to take your extension, and this is gonna go back right at the base of the teasing, right here, and it's gonna lay off to the side, just one side. Then we're gonna go ahead and take this up. We're going to shape it and pin it, and then we're going to start on our braids. Okay, so I did change my mind. I am using a hair elastic with the poof rather than bobby pins so that they don't stick out in the style. So again, taking this section up, we're gonna over direct this into a lace braid, which means you're only adding hair into one side, which is going to be our side here, our right side. And you're gonna over direct this braid over the section, the middle section that you created. And you take thin sections going up and smooth them down pretty good. Not perfectly, but pretty good. After a couple sections, come back and pancake the outside edge that's going towards the center. Just pull on the edges and then continue. go ahead and just finish off the braid, and then when we're done, these two braids are going to be connected. Somewhere around there. She leaves a decent amount of hair out. My hair is longer than hers a little bit too, but I want to leave a little bit out. Just like that. And then do the same thing on the other side. All right guys, now that the braids are done, we are going to grab the side that we didn't add the hair into, lift it up and pinch them together, and we are going to take a bobby pin and pin them together. So I'm gonna start at the bottom and work my way up. And now we're gonna take the fishtail and we're going to pin that down onto the side of the head as well, into the braids. All right guys, that is the finished look with the braids pinned together and the fishtail pinned down. So I'll give you the final spin. I hope you guys enjoyed this style tutorial. If you did, please give this video a like. That would help me out a lot. And if you enjoy this type of thing, be sure to subscribe to my channel. I also do some cosmetology education, so if you're interested in learning more about hair and the whole study of it, be sure to subscribe. Like I said, hit that notification bell so you don't miss when the next video comes out, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!